Hey everyone, I'm Mitch from Mitch's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make our delicious sunflower parmesan. Now this is the perfect topper for pasta, for sprinkling on salads, and just giving you that cheesy, umami, delicious flavour to really finish the dish off. It only uses sunflower seeds, nutritional yeast, salt and garlic powder, and that is it. All we're going to do is simply grab our food processor and pop all the ingredients in, and pop the lid on and let it blend for about 20 seconds. Now, depending on how long you blend it for will depend on how fine or how coarse your actual mixture is. So if you've only done it for 20 seconds, it's going to be quite grainy, it's going to have lots of bits, so real crunchy texture. If you blend it for a minute, 2 minutes, it's going to be much finer and a real nice powdered cheese sprinkle. Your pasta dish could be served ready to go. You could have forgotten this, and you can make it in minutes. It's delicious, it'll take your dish to the next level, and every time I have it, I just can't get over how good it is. Honestly, you won't regret making this. Please give it a go and let us know in the comments below if you want to see any other recipes. Thank you for watching.